Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Trip ni Mike. Since wala tayong tour ngayon at nandito lang tayo sa bahay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay magkakaroon tayo ng makeover on our living area and dining area. Ang Canada ay may 4 seasons, winter, summer, spring, and fall. At katatapos lang ng summer ngayon, fall na or autumn. Kung mapapansin ninyo, kung updated kayo sa aking story sa Facebook, nagbabundle up na kami paunti-unti dahil talaga namang lumalamig na uli. Bumabagsak na yung temperatura. Ang temperatura ay nag-start from 10 degrees and down. So talagang ganun kalamig. And with that, kung nasusubaybayan nyo ang aking vlogs before, like we featured our living area here in our unit from an empty space to a livable area. Binigyan natin siya ng decor doon sa ating living area. Right now, i-makeover naman natin siya. It's autumn or fall. Ang gagawin natin sa mga throw pillow cases or throw pillow, bibigyan natin siya ng different colors. Ang colors kasi ng autumn are red, yellow, green, and orange. Bumili tayo ng throw pillow cases sa IKEA last time. Tatlo lang ang ating 20 by 20-inch throw pillow. Bumili ulit tayo ng extra throw pillow para naman maging symmetrical. Ang idea kasi ng pagde-decorate ng ating living area, for example, is to make things symmetrical para maganda siya sa paningin. Not necessarily na one side is the same to the other side when it comes to sizes. Ang idea lang kasi doon, kapag sinabi mong symmetrical or pina-follow mo yung symmetry, kailangan, kung halimbawang pina-follow mo yung number of decor from one side to the other, not necessarily na ang sizes ng decor doon sa isang side ay same. Pwedeng magkaiba na sizes, pero the same number. Or, pwedeng the same ang sizes, the same ang number. Natutunan ko to from, watching HGTV and mga ideas ko. Kaya naman, kapag naglalagay ako ng iba't ibang gamit dito sa living area, kapag dinedecorate siya or mini-makeover, kaya naman natutuwa ako na maganda yung kinalabasan. Nag-post tayo sa Facebook last time and I showed you guys yung living area natin at marami namang natuwa. May comment doon na para siyang model living area ng IKEA. Nakakatuwa yun, di ba? Kasi napakasimple lang naman ang living area natin. It's just that maayos lang yung pagkakalagay talaga ng mga things doon sa area na yon. And right now, we will change that. Ibang accent ang ibibigay natin. By the way, I will show you guys the throw pillowcases that we bought in IKEA with different shades or colors. First is with this is the red one. I never found a lighter color, so eto na lang. Mas okay kasi kung lighter color siya. And another one is a lighter shade of orange. Okay? So lahat ng sizes nito ay 20 by 20 inches. Yan. Maganda sa IKEA kasi they only have one size for the throw pillowcases. Kaya hindi ka mahihirapan. As long as your throw pillow is 20-20, wala kayong magiging problema when you are buying things in IKEA. Shout out to IKEA! Yun. And then another one is a darker shade of... sorry. This is the dark one and this is the lighter one. I don't know the difference but I know you guys, you know what I'm trying to say here. Maganda kasi kapag different shades yung ilalagay nyo dun sa living area nyo. And then this one is like mustard. Kung nakikita nyo, yan. And then the other one is green. Kung nandun kayo sa store, para madali, kailangan pagsasama-samahin nyo yung mga throw pillowcases para may idea kayo kung talagang may difference doon sa kulay. Kung dark pa siya or lighter. So, papakita ko sa inyo later on ang ating pagma-makeover dito sa living area using this throw pillowcases that we bought in IKEA. But of course, hindi mawawala dyan ang decorative throw. Decorative throw, nakuha ko lang ang idea na yan dito sa Canada. Ang mga bahay dito, may mga malalaki silang couches or single couch. Ang ginagawa nila doon para magkaroon ng konting arte or tinatawag nilang accent, they put a decorative throw. Ang decorative throw kasi is like a small blanket, right? Kung napapansin nyo doon sa aking previous vlog, we have a decorative throw na nandito sa kaliwang side ng ating living area, and that's red. Right now, since it's fall, like what I always say, magiging ibang kulay na yan. But it's a different kind of cloth. Before kasi, para siyang fleece. Talagang warm siya. Another use of decorative throw, if you are having a movie marathon with Netflix, and if you feel that it's cold, nagsisilbi talaga siyang blanket. Instant blanket siya para mainitan kayo kung malamig during winter. Yan. Talagang sobrang lamig dito sa Canada na nagre-reach ng negative. Sometimes it's negative 35 or 40. And with the decorative throw, ito po yung nabili natin sa Indigo. This one. Actually, it's a scarf, but I just found it na pwede siya maging a decorative throw to give accent to our living area or sa couch. And I got this for only $15. Dati siyang $50. Imagine, ang laki nang na-save ko. Pero kung i-convert mo to, medyo mahal pa. Sa atin kasi mura lang kasi itong mga scarves na to, di ba? Throw pillowcases, it's $5 something in IKEA. I will show you the link down below kung saan mo sila may bibili. Itong decorative throw and throw pillowcases. Same goes with the inner. Ito yung tinatawag na inner. Yan. Ito yung extra unan throw pillow na binili natin sa IKEA. Mura din siya. Minsan, sa IKEA, makakita ka talaga ng mura, pero most of the time, mahal. Kaya pag ikaw ay nagme-makeover ng inyong living area, hindi talaga siya ganun na kamura dahil ang mga gamit dito sa Canada ay pricey. Pero minsan lang yan. Hindi natin to gagawin every year. Ngayon lang natin to gagawin dahil it's our first time to do the makeover on our living area. Okay, let's start decorating. That's it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Trick ni Mike. like this video by clicking the thumbs up down below and hit the notification bell for more updates. Follow nyo na rin po ako sa social media accounts like Twitter and Instagram at Trip ni Mike. Like my Facebook page, Trip ni Mike. Thank you for watching. See you again!